Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now we're going to go over adding and subtracting decimals. So if you notice, I have two different examples. One is for adding decimals, another one is for subtracting decimals. And my people, if you have a specific problem that you need me to go over, send it through my social media, put it on the comment on my YouTube channel, and I'll definitely get to you as soon as I can. So let's go over this first example. What did I tell you guys in the previous video where we multiplied decimals? What did I tell you about the decimals? In multiplication, we do not need to line them up, but in addition and subtraction, it's mandatory. We must line up your decimals, okay? So let's look at 1.2 plus 24.31. So you're confused, you're like, how do I set this up, right? So in addition, it doesn't matter if I change the order and I put my biggest number on top or on the bottom. So I'm going to put it on the top because it has the most digits. And now 1.2. Well, if I put 1.2 here, we see that these are not lined up. And we must line up our decimals. So therefore, my 1 must go here. My decimal must go here. My 2 must go under the 3, which means under the 1, there must be a 0. So that would be our setup, 24.31 plus 1.20. And if you wanted to set it up the other way, it would be 1.2, and now just make sure 24 is lined up, your decimals are lined up, so you could even line it up as 120 plus 24.31. You can do it like this as well. So let's just keep it with the biggest number on top because it had the most digits. Again, in adding, commutative property says you could change the order, it doesn't matter. Now let's add 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Line up your decimals, so your decimal goes here. 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus nothing, 2, so that's $25.51 or 25.51 or 25 and 51 hundredths, and that is your answer. So now let's look at 7.11 minus 1.9. So again, can we do this? No, we cannot, because this decimal place is not lined up with the other decimal place, which means if I must line this up, the 1 must go here, the 9 must go under the first one, and then you must have an invisible 0 right there that you can place. So now, what's 1 minus 0? 1, right? 1 minus 9. You better not be putting 8 right there. You cannot subtract 9 from 1. So you must borrow from the 7, make it a 6, and this 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 9, that's 2. Line up your decimals, which means it goes there. 6 minus 1, 5. Our answer is 5.21, 5 and 21 hundredths, $5.21, however you want to see it. And those are your answers. Ooh, look at my effects. My videos are getting better, right, my peeps? All right, have too much fun. All right, guys, your girl Lala saying arriba la vida. Subscribe. Bye. Everyone, I'm Mz Lala, your future math teacher. You need math tutoring services, either for yourself, son, daughter, somebody? Hit me up. I got you.